my classboard.com. If any student want to join online class from application and they don't have mobile and they want to use their laptop or computer, so they have to type hiis.myclassboard.com and they have to press enter. They will get these two things. They'll get two things and email. So this is the username of the student and the password is this of the student. So I will click on login. When I click on login, this student Muhammad Hassan Raza Attari, so this screen appears. This is a dashboard screen. This is the dashboard screen of the student. We need to click on continue. When we click on continue, we will get two options: online classes and learning. So we need to click on online classes. When we click on online classes, here it will show upcoming classes, previous classes or the classes which got expired, and the classes which got cancelled. So this is tomorrow we'll have math time. The teacher name is this, and this is the topic and the agenda. 15th October will be tomorrow. Like 15th October we'll be having class, and this is the time 12:50 p.m. and duration of the class is 40 minutes. And here you will get the button, join button. Just they have to click join button and automatically they will join the class. This video was about to understand how to join in online class through laptop or personal computer PC. Thank you. Thanks for watching.